Did you know that a bee only makes 1/12 of a teaspoon of honey in its lifetime? Let's go find out. Just got to make sure that we're prepared and wear your PPE. You don't want to get stung. Another important thing with these veils is wear a hat like what I'm doing, because sometimes you, without noticing, this could come towards your face and they can sit on here and sting you into the face, and that's exactly what you're trying to avoid. With a hat on, not so much. Let's give it a couple puffs of smoke. Entrance. Beautiful honey in there. I'll have a good look. And I'll give it another puff. At the bottom. Puff. So let's have a beautiful look inside. This is looking really yummy in there. This is beautiful honey. It's not fully capped yet. It's looking pretty good. Now you can look at the other side. Good look around. We're not fully capped at this stage, but we're getting there. So as you can see, it's been drawn out, and there's a little bit of neck binder. Not a lot though, just a little bit. It's not very heavy, it's really light, but it's good to see that they've completely drawn out the full frame. That's very good to see. That means they can fill this whole frame up with honey. So I'm going to clean this up. I'm going to take this excluder up carefully. Carefully lift them up without dropping the frame. It's better. I'm still not happy, but I want to see what they see. As you might be seeing here right now, and a little bit in the shade, so it might be better. This is what the frame looks like. Heaps of brood. Got some nectar. That's the other side of the frame. Looking really nice. And back in. I'll leave enough room for myself to take the next one up. I didn't see the queen on this frame. That doesn't mean she's not in here, isn't it? This is very empty. I'll get a better grip on this frame. I'll have a good look at it. See what we can spot. There's a drone right here in the middle. Big drone. See if we can see any. Lots of larvae in this frame, so I don't know if you can capture it with the camera. There's lots of larvae. If you look closely, this is all brood. There's capped brood. The whole frame. So you got Beehive with some. We got lots and lots of brood on this one. Either side filled with brood. There'll be a lot of bees to come. Lots and lots. Let's see if we can spot the queen. We've tried to. No, any luck. I might have already missed her. Don't know. Frames back in. Lots of bees. Lots of bees. They don't seem too happy with me right now. Puffed myself in the face. See, this is what it looks like when there's not as many bees on it. They're not happy with me. Let's keep going. Okay. Get the boxes back on order in the same order they came from. So this one first, that one first. See what's going on out here. Little beard in it. Put the other box back on. This one's really heavy. Box back on. Now, I've got to go through the footage and see if I actually found a queen. I didn't see her, but maybe it's in the footage. Cheers.